Want an easy way to make extra money online? Today I'll show you a free Get Per Data website where you can earn rewards by completing simple tasks and cash out via PayPal, Bitcoin, or Amazon gift cards. Before we begin, please subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for updates. Earn extra cash completing simple tasks online. Meet DollarCasher, a free Get Per Data site available worldwide that rewards real users. Signing up is free, and the site is accessible to users in many countries worldwide. You complete short online actions and collect points or cash credits in your DollarCasher account. Earnings accumulate over time and can be redeemed once you meet the platform minimums. The site emphasizes quick tasks you can do on mobile or desktop at your convenience. The primary earning method is called offer walls. Offer walls are lists of sponsored tasks you can complete in exchange for immediate rewards. Typical offers include signing up for websites or services and claiming the advertised payout. App offers usually ask you to install a mobile app and sometimes reach a level or milestone. Surveys are another common option, paying for honest answers and usually taking just minutes. Watching short videos or previews is a low-effort offer that pays small instant rewards. Always read the offer instructions carefully and confirm payout conditions before starting any task. Beyond offer walls, DollarCasher runs leaderboard contests that reward top performers with bonuses. You can complete verified social tasks or share promoted posts to earn additional credits. Referral programs reward you when friends sign up and actively complete tasks using your link. Referrals can scale your income, especially if you share with friends who are active users. Keep an eye on limited promotions and daily tasks for convenient short-term earning boosts. Combining offer walls, contests, social tasks, and referrals maximizes earnings over days and weeks. When you reach the payout threshold, DollarCasher offers several withdrawal and redemption options. You can withdraw funds directly to PayPal for convenient fiat payouts in supported regions. Alternatively, convert your balance to Bitcoin if you prefer crypto or want long-term holding options. You can also redeem Amazon gift cards if you prefer store credit rather than cash or crypto. Always check minimums, processing times, and any fees so you choose the best option for you. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. If you found the video valuable, please support us by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.